Hey everyone, so I have tons of patients that come to me and they say, oh, Candace, I don't need to do that whole GSR, getting skin ready thing, cleanser, exfoliator, toner. I use my handy dandy makeup wipes to take off my makeup and clean my face. Okay, well let's see about these handy dandy makeup wipes. So I have normal makeup foundation. We're gonna put it on with a little bit of our handy dandy sponges, right? Just put a little bit more. So apparently Mama wears light colors and you can't see it too good. By the way, if you're using makeup sponges to apply your makeup, it should be a single-use application and you should throw them away. If you're using brushes, you should wash them at least once a week. Okay, so I have wonderful little foundation on both of them. Okay, so I'm gonna use my little makeup remover wipe that I don't need your whole 3-step thing. We're just gonna take off the makeup with just that. Okay, well let's see what that does. Oh, look at all those pores. So this is the closest thing that I can do to kind of imitate skin. So you can see that makeup. Okay, yeah, some of it came off in the white, but look at that. It's all still in the pores. Okay, so now let's use our GSR. So our cleanser, our exfoliator, and our toner. So this is step 1, 2, and 3 of every single process that we do. So this is our gentle cleanser. So this is our back bar. This is our giant sizes that we use in facials. Obviously, if you're using this at home, it won't be as big, but we'll use a little bit of water. Remember, we don't want hot water on our faces. We want room temperature water, okay? So this is our gentle cleanser. You can see it's blue, it's clear. This is safe to remove all makeups. So we usually put it on our fingertips and kind of rub in. You don't need to do extra makeup removing wipes. This is, just this is good. If you have that heavy duty, like waterproof eye makeup, sometimes you might need a little waterproof eye makeup remover to take it off. Our hydrating cream is actually very good for that. All right, so I rub that in with my fingertips. Of course, it's a little weird because it's an orange. But then we're gonna rinse that clean. So this is simulating the same way that you would do whenever you're washing your face. So just that alone, guys, pretty much cleans out the pores, but we're not done yet. We're gonna take a little bit of our exfoliating polish. Sorry, I'm all slippery from all this makeup. So this is the back bar size. This is giant, but the home retail is a little bit smaller. So you can see these little magnesium crystals. They're very, very small, and it's a great mechanical exfoliation for the skin. So we're gonna put that on, and then we massage it in. I'm jealous of this orange because I'm sure this feels so good right now. So we rub that into our little pores. You want to usually do this on your face and your neck for about a minute. And then we'll rinse that clean. And then the next step of our GSR will be our Complexion Renewal Pad. So actually I have oil control pads right here. We have a ton of different options, so don't think, oh, Candace, gentle cleanser, exfoliating polish, oil control pads is the only combination. No, we have a lot. We have at least 3 different cleansers, 2 different scrubs, and 3 different toners. So these little pads, of course I have 2 of them. They're textured pads. So you can see that'll help loosen up some of that makeup as well. So I'm cleaning a clean orange, but we'll keep cleaning it anyway. So this helps finish cleaning. It helps restore the skin's pH. It helps shrinks the pores. And sometimes after you can still see a little bit of the dirt, but apparently we did a good job because there's nothing left. So do you guys want to do a GSR, which is the cleanser, exfoliator, toner, or would you like to use a makeup remover wipe? I don't know. Let me know.